Hi, Captain Ed. Let's take a look at this 1985 33-foot Bertram. No one can dispute the quality, the ride, and performance of these classic Bertrams. Built on a solid fiberglass hull with a great layout for a 33-foot boat. The issue is, when these boats were built, there was never enough power available to make them take advantage of the hull. This one has been updated with a pair of 370 horse Volvo diesels, which make up for that difference. Super clean, lots of updates. This boat sparkles from its teak swim platform all the way up to the bow. Shiny gel coat. Classic Bertram dark blue stripe. Recent window tints provide a little privacy, keep the heat out, add to a custom look. Nice size cockpit for a 33-foot boat, complete with cockpit combing. Up the varnished teak steps to the bridge. Center helm position, forward seating, again combing. Helm and companion seat, updated electronics. Recent enclosure. Going back down into the cockpit, give you a little better view. In through the sliding glass door into the salon. Light, bright, open, airy. A lot of room for 33 feet. Portside settee. Starboard side galley, under counter refrigerator. Stove with oven, stainless steel sink, plenty of counter space. Moving forward down to the companionway into the master stateroom. With a solid privacy door. Twin V berths, oversized, but it does have a filler. Plenty of hanging locker storage space. Moving aft to starboard is the guest stateroom, over and under bunks. Twin hanging lockers. To port is the head compartment, sink, vanity, electric head, complete with shower. As you can see, in this super clean, spotless engine room is where the Volvo 370 diesels reside. Everything has been updated, complete with diesel generator, low hours, economical, and fast. Going back out through the salon, through the sliding door, let's take one more look at this 33 Bertram. Leaves the slip, headed for its next adventure. No disappointments here. Super clean, all updated, turnkey, ready to go. Be sure to see the full specs of this 33 Bertram on our website, offshoreyachtSales.com. I'm Captain Ed. Thanks for watching.